Assalamu alaikum, I am Alina and you are watching ARY News. Here are today's news updates. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has directed preparations for significant income tax relief for the salaried class in the upcoming federal budget 2026-27. ARY News reported on Wednesday, citing sources. Sources told ARY News that proposals under consideration include tax relief for individuals earning monthly salaries of 100,000 rupees, 200,000 rupees and 300,000 rupees, with an initial framework prepared to reduce income tax rates across these brackets. Astronomers have identified a distant quasar powered by a supermassive black hole that is emitting winds at a record-breaking 30% of the speed of light. This wind, traveling at about 201 million miles per hour, is the fastest ever observed in ultraviolet wavelengths. The active galactic nucleus, called J2318, is located roughly 3 billion light-years away and has a mass of 1.7 billion times that of the Sun. Oil prices climbed on Wednesday, moving away from a 7-week low touched in the previous session after the US military launched new strikes against Iran and as market data showed another large draw in US crude stocks. Brent futures rose 66 cents to $92.11 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude climbed 60 cents to $88.80. Anthropic announced on Tuesday the launch of Claude Fable 5, a Mythos-class model designed for safe general use. The AI company claims that Fable 5's capabilities surpass those of any model it has previously made publicly available. Fable 5 has shown exceptional performance in areas such as software engineering, knowledge work, computer vision, and scientific research. That's all for now. For more updates, visit arynews.tv. Thank you for watching ARY News.